These patients are so many. On average, we receive between 1 to 3, mainly sexually violated patients, men and women alike. So our care has been suboptimal because we didn't quite have a dedicated space for them.
Now I'm sure those who have suffered, who have been unfortunate to go through gender-based violence, now at least will be well attended to so that they receive all the attention they so require. But as a county, we are also doing everything possible, even partnering with the enforcement agencies so that perpetrators of this social crime are brought to book.